In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use position tracking in Semrush. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out with SEO, mastering the art of position tracking can greatly enhance your ability to monitor and improve your website's performance. Now let's dive right in. Firstly, open up your preferred browser and search for Semrush. This powerful tool is key to gaining insights into your website's presence and effectiveness in search results. Once you've found Semrush, you'll need to log in. Click the Login button if you already have an account. If not, take a moment to sign up and set up your account. This step is crucial to accessing the full suite of tools that Semrush has to offer. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the Projects section within Semrush. This is where you'll manage and track all the various aspects of your website. If you haven't already set up a project, you'll need to do so by entering your domain name and giving your project a name. This allows Semrush to organize your data and provide you with valuable insights specific to your website. After setting up your project, you'll want to click on the Settings icon. Here, you'll find an option called Tracked Keywords. Click on this, and you're on your way to configuring the essential aspects of your position tracking. Start by entering the domain you want to track. This could be your main domain, or if you're interested in more granular data, a subdomain, specific URL, or even a subfolder. Next, select your preferred search engine. Google tends to be the default choice, but you can choose others depending on your SEO strategy. Also, decide on the device type, whether it's desktop, mobile, or tablet, based on where your target audience is most active. You'll also need to choose the location where you want to track the rankings. Whether it's by country, region, or city, you can target specifically where your business operates or where your audience resides. Additionally, by adding your business name, you can assess your visibility in local pack results, which is particularly useful for local SEO strategies. Then comes a critical step: adding the keywords you want to monitor. You can do this manually, import them from a file, or even get suggestions from Semrush. For better organization, consider tagging these keywords, which can help you filter and analyze data more effectively later. Once you've configured everything to your liking, Semrush will begin tracking your rankings. You'll have access to the Position Tracking Report, which is filled with widgets and graphs to help you analyze your website's performance. This includes metrics on visibility, estimated traffic, and average position. Moreover, the tool also offers detailed reports on your landing pages, competitors, as well as performance across devices and locations. And there you have it, a complete guide to position tracking in Semrush. With these insights, you can continuously tweak your SEO strategy to climb higher in search rankings and drive more traffic to your site. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.